Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make a simple night lamp wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DPMCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, timer, contactor, night lamp. Phase connection input to DPMCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to DPMCB circuit breaker, phase and neutral output from DPMCB to connect RCCB, phase connection from RCCB to connect magnetic conductor, phase connection to timer, another connection to timer another point, neutral connection from RCCB to connect magnetic conductor, neutral connection to timer, neutral connection to contactor coil connection, common connection between timer and magnetic conductor, output connection from contactor to lamp. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.